So hey guys, I know long time no see. Yeah, as life sometimes happens, it gets hectic and things get out of whack. But trying to get back on track. It's Monday. I think this is 28th of November. Not really sure. But I'm fresh home from work and I have a million things to do before I hit the sack, like clean that up over there and take down my fall decor. It's like we're moving on to Christmas and it's so crazy because I never noticed this was a thing, but I think it's more of a different culture thing. But I noticed this year there was a bunch of Christmas trees and Christmas decor up for Thanksgiving. I'm kind of traditional. I tend to wait till like December, at least like that first. But I'll probably have my tree up within the next couple of days, lights up next couple of days. But I hate to see my fall decor go. It's so pretty. Um, but yeah, so much going on. I'm gonna try Vlogmas, even if it's just like a cute little short video a day, like taking you guys along somewhere throughout. And yeah, I gotta take my nails off. I've been breaking them a little bit more often, and I just really don't have time to go get my nails done. So by the time I go, look, I need a filling desperately, but I'm just gonna take them off and just give myself a break. And yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. I have a mountain of dishes to do. Today is Monday, so it's wash day. I usually deep condition my hair. Yeah, Ratchet Monday. So I would usually watch my Ratchet shows and some of my crime shows I love. And yeah, let's see how much I get done before I call it a night. So yeah, this Vlogmas thing, it's a thing. Just wanted to show you my sleeping little baby who's sleeping in my bed. And yeah, he's gonna have to break that habit soon. Yeah, so apparently Babe did laundry and it's in the bed too. It's gonna be a long night. It's a shame, but all of this has to go out. I hate to throw it out. I can't eat more leftovers, Plies said. Nah, just kidding. Thanksgiving, the aftermath. Jeez.
Why are you taping yourself washing dishes? Like you do this all the time. Yo, hold up. You're not taping. Stop. Cut. Cut. This is not normal activity. This is not normal activity. Like this is an everyday blogging event. This is. If it was normal, you wouldn't have to tape it. She don't watch. Wait. Where's the lens? Where's the lens? Where's your lens at? Oh, it's right here. If it was normal, you wouldn't have to tape it.
Move.
What is the purpose of this? What is the purpose of this video? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you taping yourself doing like chores? Like you doing housework? What are you doing? What are you doing?
The dishes? You made me lose my angle.
Why are you taping it? Why are you taping it? My nose here pausing me.
Yeah, I told you to cut the shit.
It's like, I got sinus or something.
Told you to cut it, you don't listen.
Why are you washing dishes and taping it? What is this for?
YouTube.
To perpetrate on YouTube.
I wash dishes all the time, Mama.
What are you doing?
They
You cook all the time. I hear you that. You cook.
I
You
wash,
cook all the time.
I wash dishes.
Why don't you
all the
take yourself cooking?
time. No.
As if you cook. But I do the dishes in here always.
You don't even wash dishes as good as me.
There's no soap on the damn sponge. Who washes? She don't even know what she's doing. There's no soap on the sponge.
It don't need to be all super soapy.
Oh, you better be glad it messed up.
It don't need to be all super soapy.
There's no soap on the sponge. It's water and sponge.
It's clean.
It's extra spongy now.
It's clean.
Now it's extra spongy and wet. Where's the soap?
On this sponge. That's why we.
You can tell.
That's why we ain't got none now.
Let me see. There's no soap on it. You're not using no soap.
You can eat off of that.
It's wet grease. Now it's wet grease.
Get out my vlog.
Now it's clean grease.
Get out my vlog.
It's clean grease. No.
Yes, a little bit.
It's fun. Yes, and you just put in a little bit of water to wet it.
Get out my vlog.
No dishwasher.
I put the elbow grease.
And it's still not clean.
I got to put some more elbow grease.
There's no method. She do a plate then a fork. There's no method.
There's no method.
You can wash the dishes for 40 minutes and it's still a sink full of dishes. Look at the drain. There's nothing in the drain.
There.
You can wash the dishes for 45 minutes. The water been running.
It has not been 45
You'll
minutes.
wash one fork, a spoon, a plate.
Yeah.
Once you wash all the forks, get that out the way. Wash the plate, get that out the way. Cups. It'll go faster when there's a method.
No. You know what? Wash these dishes.
No.
Can't even wash dishes without getting some critique. I do.
Like you had a rough day.
I did have a rough day.
Now you gotta do the dishes again. When you get home and it never
No,
done.
it never does. So I gotta do it.
This is why you can't believe the normal stuff people do on blogs and Snapchat and Instagram and Facebook feeds and none of that. Cause it look normal, but it's just all for the camera.
I watched it. Now I'm watching Love and Hip Hop, and this Bianca scene had me slapping my head like, dude giving you all type of mix. He's talking to you. Calm down, bro. Lamar, who the fuck is that bitch? You watching it? I ain't trying to be on no Love and Hip Hop. There ain't gonna be no security for you.
Put the camera down.
And voila. Never mind that, though. Never mind that. So it's the next day, and I'm sitting here, trying to upload and, just relaxing after a long day of work. And I was supposed to have my tree up by today, but I realized I didn't have any lights. So I don't have any lights. So can't put up the tree without lights, or I won't put up the tree without lights. So I go to the Dollar Tree and I purchase lights. Now, I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna show you these lights, okay? So I purchased this from the Dollar Tree for $1, right? Now, so I was already skeptical. I was like 20, I don't know. But I was being cheap and I bought 2 boxes. So you can see the other box right in there. And this is what I got. So let's try to show you. So let's put this in perspective. This is how long this thing is. And then that's the cord part. This is the light part. Look at that. So there's about 3 feet of cord and about a couple inches. I'm not even gonna go feet of lights. So even though I bought lights, I still have no lights. Can you guys believe that? So yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and spend the money and get me an adequate set of lights, or this tree will never go up.